Utelinspect is a software platform that automates the entire inspection assessment reporting process for drone and ground teams. The platform seamlessly incorporates image data, structure information, and condition assessments in one record. The easy image upload process automatically assigns images to a structure inspection record that is searchable and actionable. On-demand smart reports filter this inspection and assessment data in any way the user desires. These smart reports can be exported to geospatial engines such as ESRI, Google Earth, and QGIS. Utelinspect can connect via web services to your ticketing and supply chain management systems. Utelinspect device-independent software ensures that your inspection processes and data are immediately available across your organization on devices such as laptops, iPads, and tablets. Don't change the way you work. Utelinspect the way you work. Utelinspect software from Beyond the Drone. Schedule a demo at sales@beyondthedrone.net.